Check out these tips about making money online to gain comprehensive knowledge of the topic. Everyone knows someone who is making a killing online, but how do you get to do the same yourself? Would you like to give up your job and instead work from home? If you are interested in learning more about working online, this video has the tips and tricks you need. If you intend to make money online, join at least one forum first. There is a lot to be learned, and you can do so from other people's mistakes, rather than having to make your own. Introduce yourself, ask questions and make connections too. Networking for online money-making situations can turn into very lucrative jobs. Many people find that they can make extra cash by completing surveys. There are many survey sites online that will pay you for your opinions. All you need is a valid email address. These sites offer checks, gift cards and PayPal payments. Be truthful when you fill out your information so you can qualify for the surveys they send you. Start out small when you want to make money online, to minimize potential losses. For example, something that looks promising could turn out to be a bust and you don't want to lose a lot of time or money. Do a single tax, write just one video or order only one item until the site you choose proves to be safe and worthy. Never pay money to obtain work online. Legitimate work online should pay you, not the other way around. If a service is charging you to provide you with work opportunities, chances are they are just playing middleman and providing links that are available for free if you know where to look. Now that you've read all of these great tips and tricks, you are primed to make some money online. Take your time as you begin to figure out what niche is right for you. Once you find your money-making opportunity, build up your drive and start tackling it with passion. Student loan,